Before we see the outside, we must first understand what lies within. Today, we travel deep inside the hidden world of the apple, where life begins at the cellular level. Watch as we journey through the apple's skin and flesh, diving deep into its intricate cellular world, revealing the seeds at the core. Now, focus on the apple's core, where the seeds float suspended in juicy flesh, each cell shimmering with life. Take a microscopic journey inside the apple, following the glowing flow of nutrients as they move through its delicate internal structures. Observe the full internal anatomy of the apple, from skin to seeds, with light illuminating every layer in stunning detail. Inside the apple, the cells glow with energy, pulsing softly as life circulates through the fruit's vibrant interior. Watch the nutrients and juices travel through microscopic channels, nourishing the apple from within. Zoom into the heart of the fruit, where its seeds begin to form, built by complex and beautiful cellular patterns. Explore the intricate textures of the apple's flesh, where every cell and droplet reveals an unseen world of complexity. Here, we witness bruised and damaged apple cells, their structure disrupted and their color slowly fading. Inside the rotting apple, microbial life begins to spread, breaking down the flesh in a dramatic transformation. Observe the tiny tunnels carved by insects, tearing through the apple's internal structure on a microscopic scale. Juice leaks from the damaged apple cells, flowing outward as the internal structure begins to break apart. This was a journey inside the hidden world of the apple. Stay curious and join us again as we explore what lies beneath the surface. Subscribe for more journeys inside food, nature, and every living thing. Bye.